Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy pair of earrings using some sea glass and chain tassels. So I've brought out some cool sea glass here. Now we have the little square shapes, and I brought out some beautiful orange. I love this sort of lime color, this green. We also do have, of course, various blues because they are sea inspired. So just some really beautiful colors here for you to choose from. And then the other thing that I kind of came out here today with and color coordinated is I have a gold-plated version, a silver-plated version, and an antiqued brass. So I'm going to kind of mix and match here. So I'm going to use 2 chain nose pliers to make these quick and easy earrings today. And I think I'm going to go with the green here. I just really love that kind of lime green. It's so summer, it's so perfect. And I'm going to choose the silver to go with these. And let's see, I think I want to use these caps. So these are beautiful little earring posts. They have nice soldered holes at the bottom, so I'm going to pull those out. We also do have the hammered versions, but I think I want to go for a more sleek look with my choice here. And then I'm going to be using some bullet clutches here, and these are really great. They have that nice little plastic piece, so if you have sensitive ears, these are wonderful to use, so they're very comfortable to wear. We do also have the ear nuts as well. Let me go ahead and grab a couple of jump rings over here. I actually only need 2. So, all right, so I have chosen my color palette, so very quick and easy here. All I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take that jump ring in my pliers there and gently twist it open. And next, I'm gonna slip on the jump ring of my tassel, slip on my sea glass, and then slip on my earring post. And then I'm just going to close that up. And I really meant it when I said that is a quick and easy earring. So that is all it's going to take to get these really beautiful colors. So I mean, you can choose whichever ones you want here. I'm going to actually make the second one as I keep talking here. So we're just going to gently twist that open, slide on our tassel, slide on our sea glass, and slide on our earring post. So it's that easy. It's so fun, and these can actually come together really quickly. These are wonderful actually if you're throwing a beach wedding or if you're going to a beach wedding, you want to coordinate bridesmaids colors. You could do something really beautiful with the blue and the gold just to kind of give you a little feel for it. Or I actually love the idea of putting the orange with the antique brass. You can kind of see how that will give you a little bit of a global inspired design, but just a really fun pair of earrings, so simple, and it's great for a beginner because all you're doing is opening and closing that big jump ring. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a quick and easy DIY jewelry from Beadaholique.